The given figure shows two phases A and B of a typical angiospermic life cycle. Select the correct option regarding it. Option A, gametophytic generation, sporophytic generation. Option B, sporophytic generation, gametophytic generation. Option C, sporophytic generation, sporophytic generation. Option D, gametophytic generation, gametophytic generation. The correct answer is option A. The figure A is gametophytic generation and figure B is sporophytic generation. Select the mismatch pair. Option A, amphibians of plant kingdom, bryophyte. Option B, fast terrestrial plant who possesses vascular tissue, gymnosperm. Option C, water required for fertilization, pteridophyte. Option D, seeds enclosed in fruits, angiosperm. The correct answer is option B, first terrestrial plant who possesses vascular tissue, gymnosperm. This one is incorrect because first terrestrial plants to possesses vascular tissue is pteridophyte, not gymnosperm. The sporophyte is the dominant phase in option A, pteridophyte. Option B, gymnosperm. Option C, angiosperm. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. In angiosperm, functional megaspore develop into option A, embryo sac. Option B, ovule. Option C, endosperm. Option D, pollen sac. The correct answer is option A, which is embryo sac. Match the column I with column 2I and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column I, Pteris, Cedros, Sonchus, Markensia. Column 2I, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperm, angiosperm. The correct answer is option A, which is Pteris match with pteridophyte, Cedros match with gymnosperm, Sonchus match with angiosperm, Markensia match with bryophytes. Select the mismatch pair. Option A, smallest angiosperm, Rafflesia. Option B, tallest angiosperm, Eucalyptus regnans. Option C, marine angiosperm, Zostera thalacia. Option D, angiosperm with smallest seed, orchid. The correct answer is option A, which is smallest angiosperm, Rafflesia. This one is mismatch pair because smallest angiosperm is Olfia, not Rafflesia. In double fertilization, one male gamete fuse with I to form zygote and the male gamete fuse with 2I to form primary endosperm nucleus. Option A, synergid, antipodal. Option B, egg, antipodal. Option C, egg, secondary nucleus. Option D, egg, synergid. The correct answer is option C, which is egg and secondary nucleus. In double fertilization, one male gamete fuse with egg to form zygote and the other male gamete fuse with secondary nucleus to form endosperm. Angiosperm A and B shown in figure belong to the class dash and dash respectively. Option A, dicotyledony, monocotyledony. Option B, monocotyledony, dicotyledony. Option C, monocotyledony, monocotyledony. Option D, dicotyledony, dicotyledony. The correct answer is option B, which is the figure A is monocotyledon plant and figure B is dicotyledon plant. Which of the following characters represent the affinities of Neotome with angiosperm and differences with Cycas and Pinus? Option A, presence of xylem vessels and absence of archegonia. Option B, perianth and two integument. Option C, embryo development and apical meristem. Option D, absence of resin duct and leaf venation. The correct answer is option A, which is presence of xylem vessels and absence of archegonia.